Well, welcome back to Boo and Booble's reviews. Two ordinary couples. Okay, this time we're reviewing the Mellerware aromatic coffee bean grinder. I've been using this one for some time now, and I must say this is definitely a very good looking, handsome piece of equipment. Sturdy, strong, good weight. Well, let's open it up and have a look. I've had one before. Unfortunately, I misplaced it while I was moving. Comes with a 2-year warranty, so don't lose your receipt. Keep it safe. This is a used one. I'm just showing you the box for reviewing purposes. Inside here we have your warranty manual, stuff like that. Okay. Ta-da! Ain't that a beauty? Okay. Gorgeous. Looks great. Safety, on and off, solid click, glass top, to see what the hell's going on in there. Excuse the language. Nice and clear. Good, solid. That's plastic, not metal. Okay. A bit of plastic on the top here, but nice, good depth. I try to find a review on this before comparing or purchasing my second one, and to see whether or not there is something better out there for lesser price. And unfortunately I cannot find anything that looks as good and feels as great in the market. So that's it. Nice lengthy cord to get where you need it to go to. Okay, what else is in the box? Let's have a look. Oh, guess that's a 2-year warranty card. 1 year retail, 1 year extended. Register online. Well, now you know I'm in South Africa because it says .co.za. Why register? Don't lose your receipt. Okay, what I normally do with my receipts is I scan them and I keep them safe that way. Okay, now what most people don't do, what I will do for you, is turn it on and grind some beans. Let's see how these things work. Right, couple of coffee beans. In we go. Right. Nothing happens when you turn it on, so it's quite safe. You don't have to worry about your fingers getting toasty. So it does have a lock-in mechanism. Coffee smells good. How does it smell, Boo?
Divine.
She's already made me a cup, so this one's just for show. Ooh. Okay. That's a good solid motor. Okay, it does get a bit messy on the edges, but I must say, not such a difficult thing to clean. Coffee is ground up pretty smooth. Yep, and that you'll put in your plunger or whatever machine or equipment you have. Works really well for me. Also, it works great with herbs and seeds if you into that. I really wash mine, try to keep the essence of the coffee in the grinder. So I just give it a wipe and off we go. Well, I guess you might not use your finger, but for me, that's okay.
Smells even better now.
Oh, that smells good. Okay. Powerful motor. Quite a bit of coffee left behind.
Yeah, you can just grab it with a spoon.
Never scratch the inside of this. That's why you use your finger, not a spoon. Okay,
You can use a small wooden spoon if you have it.
A wooden spoon? Well, that's going to be one very small wooden spoon, but you can use a small wooden spoon if you have it. Okay, that's our review. Hope you liked it. I definitely think that this is a good piece of equipment. I've had it for some time. It's my second one. Not gonna lose this one. Love it. You won't go wrong. Mellerware, great brand. I was skeptical in the beginning. Right now, I'm a pro Mellerware guy on this piece of equipment. I'll maybe do some other reviews on other Mellerware equipment later. Maybe a toaster. We'll see. All right, for now, I'll enjoy my Java with my boo. Thank you, boo.
It's a pleasure, my love.
Signing out. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Just got reminded by my boo.